Good morning, Miva. Hey, it's Monday morning, March 30th, right at the end of March. Well, it came in like a lamb. I guess it's supposed to go out like a lion. We'll see what happens, though, the next day or so. And so we are on March Maintenance Day 21. We're coming to the end of that great program that Mrs. Reed helped put us together this month for some school spirit. All right, today's quote of the day. Well, I didn't want to start off on too sorry, but it is a real thing, right? Depression is that pair of filthy glasses. It is a clouded version of reality. You can see just enough to crudely navigate through your day, yet not enough to see the world as it really is. And so the best thing you can do if you feel like a little bit depressed, then is to get a little help, talk to somebody, try to see your way through it. And sometimes, get the help will make the difference. So think about that as you begin your Monday and your new week. All right. So like I said, today is day 21 for our March Maintenance, and it is Meme Day, so share a school-appropriate meme or create one for Miva. I like people that create them especially, but I find a lot of them online, and so if you send me some of your favorites, maybe I'll start using them on the morning assemblies. That would be great, wouldn't it? All right, and so the rest of the week we'll play out as well. We'll do day 22, Colorfulness Day, celebrate the colorfulness of the world your way through a post or picture. Day 23 is dress like your favorite character day. Dress up as your favorite character from a movie, book, or from life, right? And then day 24, recipe day. So submit your favorite recipe. And boy, maybe we'll start making some of them. We are at home a lot, right? So why not try that? And then on day 25, the last day of this week is pet day. So take your pet to school, share a photo or story. All right, so that's our March Maintenance of the Week activities. All right, so hey, today is National Virtual Vacation Day. That's March 30th, right? So who would have thought is a virtual vacation? Well, we're sort of on virtual vacation every day, aren't we here? Well, not quite. We're doing some work too, but all right, when March 30th arrives, so does National Virtual Vacation Day, reminding us all to relax, recharge, and rejuvenate no matter where we are. Vacations restore our minds, bodies, and souls. Studies show that taking a vacation lowers the risk of heart disease. They also help hone our problem-solving skills and promote overall brain health. Furthermore, we're more satisfied with the money spent on vacation than on material goods. However, virtual vacations do not require money, packing, or transcontinental flights. All you need to achieve a virtual vacation is your imagination and free VR apps or a VR headset. If you can dream it, you can achieve a virtual vacation. Enjoy an exciting African safari or hike the exotic Amazon rainforest, then hit the beach in Bali or join the festivities at Mardi Gras. Explore a space vacation if you dare. Adventure to armchair travelers thrill at the possibilities. And on this natural virtual vacation day, the nationaldaycalendar.com site, you can actually do a trip into space. And I looked at it this morning just to make sure it was something that was kind of neat. So there's a lot of different VR trips, and actually it's going to coincide very well. So you can start thinking about it today. Ms. Valley is going to put on a virtual field trip to another country or countries this Friday. So we'll be taking up that time of advisor time during that and having that exciting adventure with her. And she's also looking to make it into a club. So we'll be testing that out, so to speak, this Friday. So Friday, keep that in mind as you plan your day. All right, here we are in science, our day in science, March 30th in 2018. Schools of sharks seen off northeastern coast. Biologists from the NOAA Northeast Fisheries Science Center reported the appearance of an abnormally large school, or GAM, of basking sharks along the northeastern coast of North America. GAMs ranging in size from 30 to 1,400 sharks have been observed between Nova Scotia and Long Island, and experts say that through sightings of lone basking sharks are common, incidences of such a large gathering are relatively rare. Scientists do not know why such gatherings occur, but they theorize they might be necessary for socialization, feeding, or courtship rituals. All right, interesting thing about sharks. And of course, the Gulf of Maine is in that area between Nova Scotia and Long Island. All right, this is the day in history for March 30th. In 1858, Hyman L. Lipman of Philadelphia patents the pencil with an eraser attached on one end. So there's a great picture of that, of him as well, right here, and then also his little pencil. And you can see down here, this is where he deemed to put the eraser right at the end of one end. Interestingly, yeah, that's been used ever since, right? We've changed from lead to graphite, but still using it, right? Now we have mechanical ones. 1867, Russian Baron Stokel and U.S. Secretary of State Seward complete the draft of a treaty ceding Alaska to the United States. The treaty is signed the following day. So there's a picture of the big old Alaska, what they call that, the Alaska land grab. They also called it Seward's Folly because they thought it was just this huge big ice box, right? Because Alaska generally had a lot of ice, although a little less now because of global warming, but still, that was not considered a great purchase by him, but boy, it's proven pretty nice for America since then. In 1943, Rodgers and Hammerstein's first collaboration, Oklahoma, opens on Broadway. No, I won't sing the song, although maybe some of you know it. But anyway, so that's a great musical. So if you get to see it online or on TV, that would be a great thing to watch. In 1950, President Harry S. Truman on this day denounces Senator Joe McCarthy as a saboteur of U.S. foreign policy. Those of you that are taking U.S. history, you may not you may not be at this point yet, but he was basically saying that all these people were communists when they really weren't, but it scared everybody, and you got onto blacklists. It was just a terrible time in American history. He used fear really to push himself forward. So, good thing that Truman was there to kind of take care of it. All right. Up next is our book club meeting on April 1st, so that is this Wednesday. So Ms. Valley will be there with you to talk about the book, All the Light We Cannot See, and we've been talking about this for the past week or so. So just kind of a reminder, it is coming up soon, and then of course you have another one on May 6th and June 3rd, and you will be talking about which books to read for those. All right, Prodigy is meeting also, and April 3rd is this Friday, so they'll be doing their How Many Papers You Can Get challenge, and so they'll be doing that until April 3rd, and collecting papers. So go to Prodigy Club, collect papers, and then earn a prize. All right, $2.30 to $3.50 on Friday. All right, that's all we have now. So at this time, well, yeah, happy Monday. Here's a puppy nose in case you were wondering. It's Monday again. All right, so enjoy your Monday advisory time. And of course, as I always say, make it a great day, and we'll catch you tomorrow. All right, bye-bye now.